You must have often heard that AI is replacing your jobs. And when we talk about finance domain, there is a great debate that will AI replace finance and accounting jobs? Today, I am about to discuss some insights that if the question of AI replacing jobs is a risk or a opportunity, we will talk everything in detail. But before that, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CMA Sunny Chandarana. And in today's video, we are about to decode the insights of is AI about to replace accounting and finance job, and video is about to get really very interesting. So I would request each and every one of you to watch this video till the end because that is about to give you much insights. And of course, after watching this video, you will have an assurance that what could be the possibility, what are the learnings and many more. But if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to channel is with you. With that, let's begin. When we talk about finance, it is divided into multiple domains, be it accounting, be it auditing, be it taxation, be it investment analysis. So where does AI come into picture? When we talk about accounting, AI can automate certain activities like bookkeeping, recurring transaction, journal entries, reconciliation. When we talk about AI and auditing, AI can easily detect frauds and errors in a faster pace as compared to human minds is doing it. And when we compare AI into taxation, AI at times can calculate your returns, can do a complete calculation based on data set, and AI in each finance domain is easily used and followed. In fact, I have to quote some examples. Some ERPs like QuickBooks, Zoho have already integrated artificial intelligence in their invoice processing, where you can easily map the invoices against vendor rather than a human intervention is trying to match it. So basically all the recurring activities like journal preparation, like reconciliation, like invoice processing, like auditing is easily replaceable. So should that be a worry factor? Guys, I'll be very honest. If I have to divide into risk of AI highlighting or probably replacing the jobs, I would divide into three categories: high, medium and low. Someone who is day in day out into recurring activities like preparation of MIS, doing bookkeeping, doing reconciliations, doing invoice processing like P2P has a very high risk of AI getting replaced. Someone who is into auditing where he or she is trying to analyze the frauds and errors can easily be replaced with the algorithms that AI has integrated and can faster as compared to human intervention detect the frauds and errors. But someone who has that financial acumen, who is into leadership, who is into giving strategic decisions can't be replaceable with AI, because AI in current scenario is only used to do recurring activities, but that financial judgment, that subject matter expert, that leadership is always with the humans because they've spent number of years in analysis. So that can't be replaceable with AI. So now, what should be your thought process if you have started your career? I would tell you one thing. Elon Musk once had said that AI will not replace you, but the person using AI shall definitely. So invest your time into learning certain tools of AI like prompt engineering, data science, where in your daily routine, you can easily integrate AI. You can give advice to the management based on your expertise to how to integrate and automate, because even to run AI, there would be a human intervention. So definitely the repetitive jobs, the recurring jobs shall be divided or shall be followed by AI, but the command giving shall always be there with human. So definitely AI will not replace you, but the person using AI will definitely. So work and start investing to learn these tools because in foreseeable future, these things are very important and mandatory. Also, as I mentioned earlier, that AI will replace the repetitive jobs, but management or the company shall always look to leadership, shall always look to subject matter experts to ensure that whether the AI that has generated an output is true and fair, and that shall always be reviewed by our subject matter experts. So always try to invest your education into professional certifications like CPA, CMA, Chartered Accountancy, ACCA, because post doing these courses, you will definitely be a subject matter expert, because As and when you try to understand the curriculum, you will have deep insights about things, and definitely management shall look up to these people because you guys are always known as a subject matter experts in any domain, be it bookkeeping, be it accounting, be it auditing, be it taxation, be it planning, budgeting, forecasting. In any domain that you will see your future, you shall always be considered as subject matter experts. So try to invest into these certification, learn AI tools, learn data science, have that habit to get into making leadership decisions. Try to get into job that involves strategic decision making, that involves leadership discussions. Get into jobs like financial planning and analysis. Get into jobs which gives you a subject matter expert certification, and definitely then your risk of you getting replaced with AI shall be definitely minimized. So I have come up with deep insights, and if you honestly like this video, do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And for those who are my regular viewers, I would really appreciate that. Start looking out for tools, start looking out for things that can easily help you to get acquainted with AI tools if you are planning to see your future into finance domain. And I've spoken many things related to AI, and if you honestly like this video, do not forget to subscribe, press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to channel is with you. With that, I'll come up with another video, and if you like this video, please hit a like. Thank you.